two-handed kettlebell clean. Same principles apply as the one-handed kettlebell clean with two hands. It is not a curl, it's not a bicep curl. You're going to guide the weight with your arms into the V of your arm here. I'll demo the exercise first, then I'll pick it apart. Same principles apply as the one-handed clean. You are not going to curl it up. It's not a bicep curl. It's a drop, projecting the energy from your hips down to the ground, back up, using your hip snap and guiding the bells with your arms. Make sure the bells land in your V of your arm and not bang up against your shoulder. Elbows real tight into your sides, glued into your sides. Up. It's not a bicep curl once again. Demo the exercise one more time. The rack position, you want the kettlebells right into your crook of your arm and your elbows into your hips this way. This is called a rack position. You want your butt tight and your knees reeled up to your hips. So you want to pull your knees up to your hips. Be able to wiggle your fingers. You don't have to wiggle your fingers each time. Drop the bells. Snap your hips. Two-handed kettlebell clean.